Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video I'm just going to show you how I do my nails at home. Hopefully this will be helpful to some of us who usually get our nails done in the salon, and I know that a lot of salons are closed now due to COVID-19, so I'm showing you guys how I get a nice manicure or full set while I'm at home. And I will put everything in the description box below. What I use, everything that I use has been ordered from Amazon, so just check the description box below if you're interested in any of the items that I use. The only thing that isn't is my nail polish, which I got from either Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I'm not sure. Since I'm not a professional nail artist, I don't spend a lot of money on my nail polish. Until I get a little bit better, I stick with the inexpensive things. So far you've just seen me clean off my nails to get rid of all the oils and just try to push back my cuticles a little bit. And right now I am matching which nails will fit my nail bed by size. I use these nails quite often, so I didn't really have to match them. I knew which ones I wanted to use, but I just wanted to show you that you get like 10 different options and sizes with this pack of nails from Amazon. So I am going to use that glue, and I just measure basically where I want the nail to sit. This is the absolute most amazing glue, you guys, for you to try. So you should definitely try out this glue. It will definitely make your nails stay. I promise you, when I use this, my nails literally last for like 2 weeks or longer, which is usually about the time that you go in for a fill-in anyway. So this is a really good glue to use, so I highly suggest it. So now you just see me putting on all the glue on my nails, basically putting them where I want them to go. I lay them all out as well, so I know exactly where I want what nails are going to go onto which finger. Sorry, I got a little confused there. So yeah. So you see the difference, one hand with nails and one with not. So then I use my scissors to cut and measure how long I want them to be. I never actually wear them this long. I always cut them down some. I like my nails to probably be like 1 inch long, maybe, if that's even the right measurement. And then I go over with my filer to just make sure it's in a nice coffin shape. That is the shape that I like to use normally on my nails. So that is what I'm doing today, and I just really pay really good attention and detail to this part to make sure that my nails are exactly how I want them to be. That's why this part is taking a little bit longer. Wow, I didn't realize I took that long. I guess I do though. So eventually I am going to move on from this. Wow. Yeah, it takes a long time. But you see that it's very worth it, okay? It really makes a difference. Look at that. One side done, one side not. It looks so much better. Now that's both of them being done. And then I go over it with this, I don't know what this is called, but I go over it because it kind of ashes out the nails a little bit. And I feel like it makes the polish go on a lot smoother. It just makes a big difference than just going on top of that nail like it is shiny without without the polish. So now that's how my nails look after they've been filed. I went and rinsed them off, and I'm going to start off with my nail polish now. I went with a light lavender purple, kind of like a pastel purple, and I really couldn't get that in frame, but you guys, I think you kind of know about like painting nails. That's all I did. I just painted my nails, and then I did 2 coats of it because that makes it look like a actual full set when you add additional coat to it instead of just having one thin layer. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like after I've painted one hand. This takes concentration. So that's one hand painted and one hand not painted. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I painted both hands. This is before I've added my clear coat of polish just to add like an additional shine. So now I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Shine Like top coat over my nails, and that basically completes this look. So I got it down into a 5-minute video, but in all this takes me about maybe 30 minutes to an hour, but it's definitely worth it and you save a lot of money. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and comment as well. Bye.